Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn some tips and tricks in the Tally software. How to export ledger details from Tally to Excel without customization. First, let us discuss why this is required. Don't we have a default feature in Tally for this? Yes, we do have a default feature for exporting the ledger details from Tally to Excel. Let's check that. So let's go to Tally, open our company, that is ABC & Co. Display, statement of accounts, statistics, ledgers. So here I have the export button, export. The format is Excel, output file name is masters. So let's open this exported masters. Here I have got the group details and the ledger name. That's it. No address, no email ID, no contact number, no GSTIN number is present in this Excel sheet. The default Tally export format will be something like this. But we want the required format to be something like this with all the ledger details like name, parent, address, credit period, phone number, contact person, mobile number, GSTN and state to be in the columnar. So let's see how to get this format in Tally without customization. Open Tally, select company, click on calculator. As of now I have these lines. I'll be copying and pasting in the Tally. I'll give this text in the description below. So paste it in Tally, Alt Control V, enter. So you got the required format. So what do I do now? Export to Excel. Output file name is custom format. Output sheet name can be anything. Export. So I'll open this custom format. See, now I got the ledger name, parent, address, credit period, ledger phone number, ledger contact number, mobile number, party GSTIN and the state name. So let's come to Tally. Here I have got all the ledgers. So cash, profit and loss account and GST purchase, GST sales. I don't want these ledgers. I want only the ledgers which are under Sundry Debtors. So how do I do that? How do I get only those ledgers? How do I filter that? Let's see. I have another format here. Select name, parent, ledger, address, everything the same as the previous one, but at the end add from ledger where parent is Sundry Debtors. I'll copy this format and paste it in Tally, the calculator panel. See, now I have got only the ledgers which are under Sundry Debtors. So I have filtered the other ledgers. So this is the text used to get the required format from Tally. For your convenience, I have put this text in the description of this video. If you still want to learn more about these lines and if you want to know how to get any other ledger information similar to this? Please let me know in the comment section. I'll make a separate video on that. Finally, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon so that you'll not miss any of our video. You'll get a notification whenever we upload a new video.